Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your YouTube account public. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want to make your YouTube account public, there are a few different privacy settings you may be referring to. So here's how to make your channel and subscriptions visible. Now, to make your YouTube channel public, we want to go ahead and go to YouTube and sign into your account. Then click on your profile picture on the top right hand corner and select view channel. Now, if you already created a channel, it is public by default unless you've changed specific privacy settings. Now, if you want to make your subscriptions public, click onto your profile picture. Then we want to click into settings, then select privacy on the left. Now to the right, we want to make sure to deselect that. So keep all my subscriptions private. So we want to enable that, or disable, sorry, because if you enable it, they're going to keep them private, and basically your subscriptions will now be visible to others. Now, another thing we can do is make your saved playlist public. So go back to youtube.com and then open the playlist you want to change. So we've got playlist here. Now, in order to make these public, what we can do is click on the three dots under the playlist and then click onto edit. Then from here, it's going to say private or public. Make sure it is set to public, or can it be unlisted, and then anyone with the link can view your playlist. Now, the last thing here, make your uploaded videos public. So on this channel, this is an old channel of mine. So to do this, go over and click onto your YouTube studio. And then once we're inside of here, click onto content. Now from here, I can go ahead and change the visibility from either private, from private to public, and then clicks publish. And now that's going to make that video public. But because this is just a test channel, I'm going to put this back to private.